शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकीशोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्। नमोऽस्तु रामाय सलक्ष्मणाय देव्यै च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै। नमोऽस्तु रुद्रेन्द्रयमानिलेभ्यो नमोऽस्तु चन्द्रार्कमरुद्गणेभ्यः। ॐ नमः परमहंसास्वादितचरणकमलचिन्मकरन्दाय भक्तजनमानसनिवासाय श्रीरामचन्द्राय ॐ। So in the previous session on auspicious Vaikuntha Ekadashi and also this time Gita Jayanti day, we have seen Shiva Dhanur Bhangam in 67th Sarga of Balakanda. So Pashyatam Risahasranam Bahunam Raghunandanaha Aropayat Sadharmatma Salilamiva Tadhanuhu. Tadhanuhu, that Shiva Dhanus. So Salilamiva, as though it was a small play for him, that Dhanus. So like I said, this is that Vidya Rasa you should bring in, like how it was built up previously. Before that, great stories were narrated by Janaka, and even as they saw, so many people were pushing it, not even pulling. Like I said, pulling might require lesser effort than pushing, I suppose. So many people were pushing it and bringing such a huge Dhanush, and this Rama Salilam Iva Aropayat. So the condition was fulfilled. Somebody has to lift the bow and string it, and he did it. And while he was after stringing, he was checking. And that time it happened to break in between. So Nrisahasranam Pashyatam, as even Bahunam Nrisahasranam. So many thousands of people were watching. At that time he proved his mettle. So if you let these Pravachanakaras, Pauranikas speak, then they will say why so many people witnessed, because in the next avatara he is going to secretly take away Rukmini. And then people might allege at that time he secretly took away because he did not have the power to face. Of course, there also later all those suitors to Rukmini will come and fight with him, and that fight anyway those people will be defeated. All that is there, but here in front of so many people he proved his mettle. And then another thing which I did not tell in the last session, because already we were running out of time. So if you see 22nd shloka in the previous sarga and 67th sarga, Janakanam kule kirti maharishyati me suta. So Janaka is telling, my daughter will now bring great fame to this Janakanam kule. So to this lineage of Janakas, he is telling, Janakanam kule means to this lineage of Janakas, my daughter will now bring in Kirti, Sashvata Kirti. She is going to say already they are very famous, Janaka. Govindaraja is citing that shloka, how they are famous, these Mithiladhipatis. Mithilayam pradiptayam name kinchit pradahyate iti prokta niratishaya kirti matapi kule. So these people are already famous. How famous they are? They are famous as jnanis. Even if their kingdom is burning, they said nothing is happening to me. So such kind of jnanis they were. To such a kingdom also this Sita Devi is going to, so such a lineage also she is going to bring in great fame. And more importantly, for the next half of that line he writes here, so Sita Bhartaram Asadya Ramam Dasharathatmajam. So how is she going to bring fame? This Sita, my daughter, will bring fame by accepting or by now attaining Rama as her husband. She is going to bring in great fame to our lineage of Janakas. So Govindaraja is telling there, Dasharatha is ticking, it seems. Okay, now I have made the promise, Rama is fulfilled, I have to give Sita in marriage, but what will others think? So is he satisfying other people's criteria? That he's putting one by one tick. So Vittamichanti Mataraha. So there are some people, of course he's quoting, I don't know which shloka, but there is another similar shloka, different, similar in some lines, but still another shloka is Kanya Varayate Rupam Mata Vittam Pita Shrutam Bandhavaha Kulamichanti Mishtannam Itare Janaha. It seems when people come to a wedding, who looks for what? Those criteria. So some Subhashita is there like that. This bride looks for beauty. Kanya Rupam, Kanya Varayate Rupam. So bride looks for the beauty. So and then Mata Vittam. It seems the mother of the bride looks for wealth, because he should be able to take care of the daughter. And Pita Shrutam, the father looks at Shrutam, his learning. And Bandhavaha Bandhavaha kulam icchanti. Relatives will see that they should belong to a proper, nice family, respectable family. Mishtannam itare jana. So very jokingly that Subhash Takara says, everybody else, others who come apart from these people, friends and all of them, they just come for very tasty food. They eat and go away. Anyway, so now Janaka is putting one by one tick. So Sita Bhartaram Asadya. Bharta means one of, so anybody who can, who can bear or who can sustain you. That is, he's a Bharta. So he's putting, okay, my wife will be happy because he's Bharta. He can take care of this. Rama can take care of Sita because he's Bharta. And then Dasharathatmajam, so he belongs to that lineage of Dasharath. So Dasharatha's lineage, that is that Ikshvaku lineage he belongs to. So Bandhavaha Kulamichanti, they are also happy. And then Kanya Varayate Rupam, so he is quoting another shloka which is Rupam Ichanti Kanyaka. Rupam Ichhati Kanyaka. This Kanyaka, that is a bride, will desire Rupa. So Ramam, already that word Ramam there indicates that he is beautiful also. Why? Because even great yogis take delight in him. Here you can take Rama means the body of Rama also. So therefore he is having great beauty. So Pumsam Mohana Rupaya, they say, even when men get attracted looking at Rama, so such a beautiful form he has. So he is also very happy. And then Pita Shrutam, so father looks at learning. Because he is a Kshatriya, you can say a father looks for prowess, and already Rama has proved his prowess not just to Janaka, but Bahunam Risahasranam Pashyatam Raghunandanaha, so Aropayamasa. So that Aropayat, that's a Dhanuhu. So that Dhanuhu Aropayat in front of so many people. Janaka is also very happy. All criteria Rama has fulfilled. That's the idea. Now coming to 68 sarga. Today's two sargas are very small. We might finish them quickly. So atha ashtashashtitamah sargah janakena samadishta dutaste klanta vahanaah triratra mushita marge teyodhyam pravishan purim. So this Janaka, after that Shiva Dhanur Bhangam, he asked Vishwamitra's permission to send messengers to Ayodhya, etc. So Vishwamitra agreed, and then Janaka dispensed those dutas, messengers to go to Ayodhya and then inform Dasharatha and then invite him for the wedding. Take his permission and invite him. So then these people, Janakena Samadhishtaha Dutaha. These dutas means messengers, Janakena Samadhishtaha, having been ordered or instructed by Janaka to go there. So those dutaha, te dutaha means those dutas which he just dispensed in the previous sarga. Te dutaha klanta vahanaha. So klanta vahanaha triratra mushita marge. So triratra mushitaha marge triratra mushitaha. So on the way they stayed for 3 days. That is, they went on also they had to go to Ayodhya, and 3 days they had to take rest in the night. So Triratra Mushitaha means 3 nights they rested. So why did they rest 3 nights? They could have directly gone, because Klanta Vahanaha, their Vahanas, that is, they were going on horseback. That horses were tired. They were very excited to go. Immediately they would have gone. But those horses were tired. So every day in the night they had to halt. For 3 nights they had to halt. So Triratram, not day, 3 nights they had to halt. So such a marga they went by. So Triratra Mushitaha marge. On the way for 3 nights they rested, and then they Ayodhyam Pravishan Purim. So Ayodhyam Purim Pravishan. So 3 days, 3 nights it took for them to travel to Ayodhya. So that happened. Te Raja Vachanat Gatva Rajaveshma Praveshita Dadrushur Deva Sankasham Vruddham Dasharatham Rupam. So here is where I was telling you those shlokas on IIT Kanpur's website. You can see check shlokas 2 and 3. So Rajnyaha Bhavanamasadya Dwarasthan idam abruvan Shighram Nivedyatam Rajnye Dutanno Janakasya cha. So these people went to, so shloka 1 of this book is telling for Ayodhyam Purim Pravishan, they entered Ayodhya city, and then Rajnyaha Bhavanam Asadya. So they went to that Bhavanam, Raja Bhavanam, where Dasharatha was staying, they went to that Bhavanam, and Dwarasthan idam abruvan. So they spoke to the Dwarapalakas there, who are there in outside the Janaka's palace. And then what did they say? Shighram Nivedayatam Rajne Shighram Nivedayatam. That is to the king. So very quickly go and inform the king. What should you inform? Naha Janakasya Dutan. So we are Janaka's messengers. Like this, go and tell them. Ityukta Dwarapalaste Raghavaya Nyavedayan Te Raja Vachanad Duta Rajaveshma Praveshitaha. So that you can connect. Now this Te Raja Vachanat Duta, you can connect with the book here. Ityuktaha Dwarapalaha Te Raghavaya Nyavedayan. Those Dwarapalakas, so having been told like this by those messengers of Janaka, Ityuktaha Dwarapalaha Raghavaya Nyavedayan. Raghava here means Dasharatha. So they went and informed Dasharatha that Janaka's messengers have come. So as even I am saying this, it just struck me that these Dhanurmasam Pasurams, so today's Pasuram also having awoken 10 Gopikas, also Andal today in today's Pasuram, 16th Pasuram. So she talks to the messenger outside Krishna's house. So there is a so Nayaganai Nindra Nandagopanudaya. So there is a Dwarapalaka in front of Nandagopa's house. So Andal is addressing him today. So incidentally, these people are also addressing Dasharatha's Dwarapalakas, Anyway, te Rajavachanat Gatva Rajaveshma Praveshitaha. So te Rajavachanat Gatva. Te means those dutas. Rajavachanat. Rajavachanat is, now two people are interpreting it two different ways. So Rajavachanat means by the words of Dasharatha. First, this is Shiromani Kara's interpretation. Te Rajavachanat means these people do. So the Dwarapalaka went to Dasharatha and told Janaka's messengers have come. So Janaka said, yeah, okay, very nice, bring them immediately. So here Rajavachana, you should take Dasharatha Vachana. So Dasharatha Vachanat Rajaveshma Praveshitaha. They have been taken into to that Rajaveshma means to the chamber of Dasharatha. Te Dutaha Rajaveshma Praveshitaha. They have been sent into the chamber by these bodyguards, or rather the sentries outside Dasharatha's palace. So Rajavachanat here you should take Dasharatha's words. Tilakakara is telling Rajavachanat means, so Tilakakara does not have the shlokas that we have seen in his Patha. Okay, so he says Rajavachanat means, so these dutas, it seems they said, so here they have said that we are Janaka's messengers, that we are Janaka's messengers. That part you should take Rajavachanat. So they said we are Janaka's messengers. So immediately the Dwarapalaka took them inside. So Praveshitaha means they have been sent by the Dwarapalakas. They have been sent inside. So having been sent by them, Praveshitaha Gatva. So having been sent by them, these people went, and having gone, Dadrushuhu Devasankasham Vruddham Dasharatham Nrupam. So having gone inside that Rajaveshma, that building, that chamber of Dasharatha, having gone, they saw this Dasharatha, and he was shining like a devata. Dadrushuhu means they saw Devasankasham, like a devata he is looking. That Dasharatha Vruddham, he's already very old, 60,000 years old, they say Dasharatha was. So Dasharatham Nrupam Devasankasham Vruddham Nrupam Dadrushuhu. These people, these messengers saw such a Dasharatha, very old Dasharatha, but then still shining like a devata. His prowess was, not diminished by his age. Such kind of Dasharatha these people saw. Baddhanjali Puta Sarve Duta Vikatasadhvasaha Rajanam Prashritam Vakyam Abruvan Madhuraksharam. So Baddhanjali Putaha, Anjali Puta, I told you this. So these palms you put together. So that is Baddhanjali Putaha. Very, very humbly they are putting their palms together. Sarve Dutaha, all the Dutas. So Vigata Sadhvasaha, Sadhva here, Sadhvasa here is being taken as Bhayam. So these people don't have any Bhayam, it seems. So Dasharatha's sentries have Bhayam, the Dwarapalakas have Bhayam. So we should very nicely approach with protocol, everything to Dasharatha. So they had that. These people did not have, because he is strictly speaking not so much their king. And at the same time, more importantly, they are coming with the news which will make Dasharatha extremely happy. So they did not have any Bhayam approaching. And then another commentator is telling, I think this is Tilakakara's words. Yeah. So Maharaja Dutatvena, because these people are coming as the messengers of another king. So Dasharatha will give them as much importance as the king. This is called Sthanimat Bhava. So in the place of a guru, if a Shishya is going, the Shishya will get as much place as the guru himself, as much respect as the guru himself deserves. So to give example, it seems Valmiki had to go to some yaga, to another ashrama, but he could not go. So they sent Bharadwaja in his place. So Bharadwaja will get as much respect as Valmiki should get. So something like that. These people Vigata Sadhvasaha. So their Bhayam was removed. Why? Because they are coming as Janaka's messengers. And then because they are Janaka's messengers, they will get as much respect from Dasharatha as Janaka himself would have got. So Vigata Sadhvasaha Rajanam Prashritam Vakyam Abruvan. So Prashritam means very humbly. So to that Rajanam, to that Dasharatha. So Prashritam Vakyam Abruvan. Very humble words they spoke. And how? Madhura Aksharam, in very sweet words, very humbly they spoke the following words to Dasharatha. मैथिलो जनको राजा साग्निहोत्र पुरस्कृतः मुहुर्मुहुर्मधुरया स्नेह संरक्तया गिरा कुशलं चाव्ययं चैव सोपाध्याय पुरोहितं जनकस्त्वां महाराजा पृच्छते सपुरस्सरम. So हे महाराजा, हे दशरथ, Maithilaha Janakaha, Maithilaha Raja Janakaha, this Raja Janaka who's Maithilaha, that is Mithiladhipatihi, this Raja Janakaha, Sagnihotra Puraskritaha. Sagnihotra Puraskritaha means this Raja Janaka along with his Agnihotra priests you should take there. So his Upadhyayas etc. So Agnihotra Puraskritaha. So this Janaka had Agnihotra in front of him means he had Agnihotris in front of him. You should take that way. That is Janaka along with this. That is his Upadhyayas, his priest Shatananda, all of them together have asked, inquired your welfare. That is what they are going to say. This Janakaha Sagnihotra Puraskritaha Muhurmuhu Madhuraya Sneha Samraktaya Gira. So Muhuhu again and again. So Muhurmuhu Madhuraya Gira with very sweet words. Sneha Samraktaya Gira. So with words which are colored. Here Rakta is red color, but you can say colored, in general colored by sneha. Sneha is friendship or whatever, that hearty words. So with very hearty words and then sweet words he has inquired your welfare. So whose welfare? Kushalam cha abhyayan chaiva sopadhyaya purohitam Janakaha. So that Maithilaha Janakaha, again Janaka, they are taking his name, Janakaha Tvam Maharaja, hey Maharaja, Tvam Kushalam Pruchhate. So your welfare Janaka has inquired, and then not just welfare, Avyayam Kushalam. So your welfare, that is, so never diminish, so always, so Shashwata Kushalam, that is your long lasting welfare he has inquired about. Or you can say Kushalam is Kshemam and then Avyayam is Yoga. So somebody commenting like that, your Yoga Kshemas he has inquired. So Yoga and Kshema means Yogam is to get, so Apraptasya Praptihi. Shankara, he comments like that, Yoga Kshemam Vahamyaham Apraptasya Praptihi, and then Praptasya Rakshanam. So what you don't have you should get, and what you have you should be able to protect. That is Yoga and Kshema. So so all your Yoga Kshemas this Janaka has inquired, not just of you. Sopadhyaya Purohitam, of so your welfare along with the welfare of your Purohitas, Upadhyayas, etc. And then Sapurassaram. So Purassara means Bhrityaha. Purassaraha means, so somebody is nicely defining here, Purassaraha means somebody who goes in front of you. So even before this person goes, he will send his messenger and say, go and inform them that so and so person is coming. He is the Purassara, that is, he is Bhritya. Before he goes, this Bhritya goes first. So your Bhrityas, that is your staff, your servants, all of them, and all your priests, mantris, so Janaka has inquired Avyayam Kushalam of all of them, hey Maharaja. Prishtva Kushalam Avyagram Vaideho Mithiladhipaha Kaushikanumate Vakyam Bhavantam Idam Abravit. So having asked your welfare, so even when they write letters, they write Ubhaya Kushalopari after inquiring mutual welfare. So Prishtva Avyagram Kushalam. So having asked your, so Avyagram Kushalam is your long lasting fame, that Kushalam to which there is no harm. That is Avyagram Kushalam. Prishtva, that Vaidehaha. Vaidehaha means all these are adjectives to Janaka. That Janaka who's Vaideha. Vaideha is Videha Raja, you can say, or Vaideha, the Janaka who does not have any body identification, such kind of this Janaka. Mind you, Janaka itself is a title for kings in that lineage, because see, he also said Agre in the next chapter he is going to say. Next means in the coming chapters he is going to tell when he is describing his lineage. So Vaidehaha Mithiladhipaha, the king of Mithila, Kaushikanumate Vakyam Bhavantam Idam Abravit. So Bhavantam to you, Kaushikanumate Vakyam. So Kaushikanumate means having had the Anumati or the what should I say, permission of that Kaushika Vishwamitra, Idam Vakyam Bhavantam Abravit. These words he is asked to convey. So Idam Abravit means he told. That is, he asked us to tell you these words, having obtained the permission of that Kaushika who is Vishwamitra. Purvam pratignya vidita viryashulka mama atmaja rajanascha krita marsha nirvirya vimukhi kritaha. So Purvam pratignya vidita, so my famous pledge, so my pledge is very famous. Purvam pratignya, my pratignya that I made long back, vidita is very famous. So Vidita pratignya, very famous pledge. So Viryashulka mama atmaja, what is that pledge that I have made? Mama atmaja, my daughter. So Mama Atmaja. Atmaja means somebody who is born from yourself, but here Atmaja is a Gauna Prayoga. So Sita was not born out of Janaka or his wife, but then they looked after her like that, as though their own daughter. So Mama Atmaja Virya Shulka, she is the price for somebody's virya. That is, you have to pay the price of viryam and obtain her. Such a person she is. I have declared like that. I have made pratigna like that. It's a very famous pratigna. So you must also have heard of it. Rajanascha kritamarshaha nirvirya vimukhi kritaha. So kritamarshaha rajanaha, that rajas, so many kings have come there. So out of spite they have come, envy they have come. So the nirviryaha, so they have been rendered, so powerless. That is, nothing, they could not lift the bow, and then they declared war on Janaka. Nothing they could do. Vimukhi kritaha, they have been sent away, rejected. Why? Because they did not have the power to fulfill that pledge. All this, so this also, Vidita, I hope this also is well known to you. Seyam mamasuta, so Seyam mamasuta Rajan Vishwamitra Puraskritaihi Yadrichaya Gatair Rajan Nirjita Tava Putrakaihi. So Seyam mamasu, that daughter of mine means, so that daughter who was Virya Shulka, and none of them could pay the price of their Viryam to obtain this lady in her hand, this girl in her hand, that daughter of mine. Seyam mamasuta, he Rajan, he Dasharatha, Vishwamitra Puraskritaihi, Yadrichaya Agataihi, Tava Putrakaihi, Nirjita. That daughter of mine has been Nirjita, won over. By whom? Vishwamitra Puraskritaihi. Vishwamitra Puraskritaihi means they have, so Putrakaihi, you can take it in many ways actually here. Putrakaihi is plural, by your sons, he is saying, by your sons who are Vishwamitra Puraskritaihi. Vishwamitra brought them. So Vishwamitra led them into here. Vishwamitra Puraskritaihi means they kept Vishwamitra in front of them and they went. That is, Vishwamitra was leading them. So Yadrichaya Agataihi, they are people who came. Yadrichaya means by Ishwaragnya, Ishwarechaya, they have come. So unexpectedly they came. Yadrichaya Agataihi, Tava Putrakaihi Nirjita. She has been won over by your sons. Now what is this plural here? Nirjita, so Putrakaihi. So Tilakakara is very nicely saying. So even when I was reading it, I thought of the same meaning, and Tilakakara is also telling the same thing. Jamatru Buddhya Mahabalatvena Ishwara Buddhya cha Pujyatvena Bahuvachana Prayogaha. Why are they making Putrakaihi Bahuvachanam? Why are they using? Because Jamatru Buddhya, they are messengers of Janaka, and already Janaka has deemed Rama to be his, son-in-law. So the king's son-in-law is equal to their son-in-law. So they have to give equal respect. So they are using plural, Putrakaihi. So Putra and Ka means actually that Kapratyaya I told you. Swarthe Kapratyaya I told you here. Putraka, when you're saying this Ka is added in the sense of Alparthe. So he's Putra, but then he's Putraka, is a very small child. So Putra is, so if a 90-year-old boy a man is having 50-year-old son, then that is Putra. But then if a 50-year-old, so 40-year-old boy is having 10-year-old son, that is Putraka. So very small son, so very small kid. That's the idea. Putraka, but then Putrakaihi, plural they are using because out of respect. Jamata means, son-in-law. They are Janaka's Jamata, and so as good as Jamata of these people. Putrakai. So Jamatru Buddhya Mahabalatvena Ishwara Buddhya cha Pujyatvena Bahuvachana Prayogaha. So he is Pujya. So Pujyatvena Bahuvachana Prayoga, because he should be well respected. They are using Bahuvachana. Well respected, why? Because they are Janaka's Jamata, and he is Janaka's Jamata, and then therefore as good as their own Jamata, son-in-law, and also because he has displayed his prowess in front of these people, also saw that prowess of Rama. And then because he has displayed the prowess, these people know only Ishvara can have such a prowess. So they know that this Rama is also Ishvara, therefore they use that plural, respectful plural. Sometimes you use plural out of respect. So that Putrakaihi. The Putrakaihi means by your son Rama, this Sita, my daughter of mine, has been won over. This Rama, I didn't even expect him to come. Yadrichaya Agataihi, so he came, so unexpectedly he came. And then he just didn't come by himself. He came along with a great Rishi called Vishwamitra. Such a Rama has won over such a Sita. Tacha Ratnam Dhanur Divyam Madhye Bhagnam Mahatmana Ramena hi Mahabaho Mahatyam Janasamsadi. So he came not only, so he paid the price of Vidya also. Tacha Ratnam Dhanuhu. So Tat Divyam Ratnam Dhanuhu. So that bow, so Tat Dhanuhu. So Tat Dhanuhu means that very famous Dhanus. You must have heard of its story. Hey Dasharatha. So Janaka is also telling. So Tat Dhanuhu, Divyam Dhanuhu. It is a very divine. Divyam means Prakrita Vilakshanam. Always you should take like this. So that it's something not that we are used to. So that's such kind of an Aprakrita Dhanuhu it is. And then Dhanuhu Ratnam here you should take as Dhanush Shreshtham. So that great Dhanush has been Madhye Bhagnam Mahatmana. So Madhye in the middle, Mahatmana Ramena Bhagnam. It was broken by Rama and Janasamsadi, Mahatyam Janasamsadi, in the midst of a great assemblage of people. This Dhanur Ratnam was broken. Dhanuhu, that Dhanushrestham was broken in the middle. That is Rama fulfilled that whatever condition was there. He Mahabaho Ramena Mahatyam Janasamsadi Madhye Bhagnam. Mahatmana Ramena, in the front of so many people, it was broken. अस्मै देया मया सीता वीर्यशुल्का महात्मने प्रतिज्ञां कर्तुमिच्छामि तदनुज्ञातुमर्हसि. So asmai deya, asmai means to him, to this Rama, deya maya sita deya. So by me this Sita has to be given to him. Virya Shulka, why? Because she is Virya Shulka. I have declared her to be Virya Shulka, and he has shown exhibited his Viryam. Therefore, Virya Shulka Sita Maya Asmai Deya Mahatmane Asmai, to this Mahatma, to this Mahatma, that is to Rama, I have to give Sita. This is the Pratignya, and then Pratignyam Tartum Ichchami. This Pratignya I now want to fulfill. Tartum Ichchami means I want to cross. That is, I want to fulfill that Pratignya. Tadanugnatum arhasi. Therefore, you have to give me that permission. He's saying, this is not one-sided affair. Marriage is a two-sided affair. I have decided that I have to get Sita married to Rama, and I hope Dasharatha you will also agree to it. So tadanugnatum arhasi. Arhasi here is, so he's requesting. So you should kindly agree to help me cross over this pratigna. Help me fulfill my pratigna. You should give your permission ityartha. सोपाध्यायो महाराज पुरोहित पुरस्कृतः शीघ्रयागच्छ भद्रं ते द्रष्टुमर्हसि राघवौ. सोपाध्यायः हे महाराज, सोपाध्यायः पुरोहित पुरस्कृतः, along with all your upadhyayas, and then keeping your purohitas in front of you. शीघ्रया agaccha, शीघ्रया agaccha, very quickly you come here. Bhadram te, may good happen to you. Raghavau drashtumarhasi, you should come and look at Raghavau. Raghavau here is to Rama and Lakshmana. You should look at that Rama and Lakshmana. So such powerful Rama and Lakshmana in front of so many people, they proved their mettle. So Rama proved means as good as Lakshmana proved. Okay. So Raghavau drashtumarhasi. Here Dvivachana is used also to show, commentators are writing that maybe by then already they have decided that Urmila also should get married to Lakshmana. So along with that proposal itself, it has come. You can take it that way also. प्रतिज्ञां मम राजेन्द्र निवर्तयितुमर्हसि पुत्रयोरुभयोरेव प्रीतिं त्वम् उपलप्यसे. So प्रतिज्ञां, मम प्रतिज्ञां, हे राजेन्द्र, निवर्तयितुमर्हसि. So you should help me so fulfill this pratignya of mine. So nivartayitum arhasi means you should help me fulfill my pratignya. You should help me fulfill, he Rajendra. Putrayoho ubhayoho eva pritim tvam upalapsyase. This shows that Urmila's vivaha also has been decided by then, not yet Bharata and Shatrugna. That will come later. So putrayoho ubhayoho pritim tvam upalap. So you will get priti, joy, happiness through your two sons. Putrayoho ubhayoho Pritim tvam upalapyase. That is, you will obtain Priti through your two sons. That is, you will come and witness their wedding and you will be very happy. Evam videhadhipatir madhuram vakyam abravit vishwamitrabhyanujnatah shatananda mate sthitah. So they are concluding, evam, in this way, videhadipatihi, that videhadipati, raja of videha raja, that is Janaka, madhuram vakyam abravit. In this way, these very sweet words he told us and he asked us to convey. So madhuram vakyam abravit means he told. So the duta is just a dwara, So if you are addressing somebody through the other side of the window, you are as though addressing the window, but then not exactly the window. Through the window, you are addressing the person on the other side, something like that. So evam videhadipatihi abravit. In this way, vakyam abravit, he spoke these sentences, that is directly to you, but through us he uttered these words. And then what kind of videhadipatihi? Vishwamitra bhyanujnataha, that videhadipati who was permitted by Vishwamitra to speak these words, Shatananda mate sthitaha. So he is videhadipati, so who is standing by the instructions of Shatananda. That is, he is following Shatananda's instructions and he is following Vishwamitra's instructions. Both of them they gave permission. Then this Janaka sent us here to speak these words. See, he is also offering Sita Devi because of, so elders have decided, in all Vivaha Patrikas traditionally, even in Tamilians, Telugu, everybody write traditional Patrikas. So elders have decided that these people should get married. So that is what Janaka is telling. That is what now Dasharatha also will tell. So Janaka is telling elders, Vishwamitra, Shatananda, etc. So they have decided and they have agreed, and therefore Janaka has sent us to your place. दूतवाक्यं तु तच्छ्रुत्वा राजा परमहर्षितः वसिष्ठं वामदेवं च मन्त्रिणश्चैवमब्रवीत्. So दूतवाक्यं तद्दूतवाक्यं श्रुत्वा, having heard those words of those dutas, Raja Dasharatha Paramaharshitah, he was extremely delighted. Vasishtham Vamadevancha Mantrinashchaivam Abravit. So Vasishtham to Vasishtha to Vamadeva and then all the other mantris. So Evam Abravit. In the following words, he spoke to Vasishtha, Vamadeva and all the mantris. So all of them, Vasishtha, I told you Vamadeva is also a great Jnani. His name is there directly in Brahma Sutra. His name is there. So Vamadevavat. So Shastra Drishtya Upadeshaha Vamadevavat. So anyway, he's taken as a great Jnani. Vamadeva, all of them he called, that maybe they were already around. He addressed them by saying the following words. Guptaha Kushikaputrena Kausalyanandavardhanaha Lakshmanena Saha Bhratra Videheshu Vasatyasau Drishtaviryastu Kakutsthaha Janakena Mahatmana Sampradanam Sutayastu Raghave Kartumichhati. So Guptaha Kushikaputrena. So Kushikaputra, who's Kushikaputra? Vishwamitra. So Vishwamitrena Guptaha. Guptaha means so well protected. Vishwamitrena Kushikaputrena Guptaha Kausalyanandavardhanaha. He is somebody who gives delight to Kausali. He is using adjectives to Rama without saying my Rama. That shows he is extremely delighted. You should take that way. So that Kausalya's son, who is very well protected by Vishwamitra, he achieved this feat in front of these Janaka. So he is saying like that. Kausalyanandavardhanaha Lakshmanena Saha Bhratra Lakshmanena Saha Videheshu Vasatyasau. So in that Videha he is staying, residing now. So Drishtaviryastu Kakutsthaha. Kakutsthaha means here Ramaha. So Kakutsthaha Drishtaviryaha. Janakena Drishtaviryaha. So he proved his viryam to Janaka. So Janakena Drishtaviryaha. Mahatmana Janakena Drishtaviryaha. So his prowess has been seen by that Mahatma Janaka, and Sampradanam Sutayastu Raghave Kartumichhati. So having the Janaka having seen this prowess of Rama, Sampradanam, Sutayaha Sampradanam. Sutayaha Sampradanam means to offer his daughter in marriage. Raghave, to whom? Raghave Sampradanam. To Raghava he wanted to offer. In Raghava he wanted to offer. You should say strictly. But then what it means is to Raghava, to Rama, he wanted to offer his daughter in marriage. Kartumichhati. This is what he is desiring. Yadivo rochate vruttam janakasya mahatmanaha. Purim gacchamahe shighram mahabhut kalasya paryayaha. So he is telling Yadivo vochate vrittam janakasya mahatmana. He already Dasharatha himself is giving a certificate to Janaka. Mahatmanaha Janakasya, he is telling that Mahatma Janaka's vrittam, his character, his story, his all his lineage, all of them. Yadivo rochate, if you people are agreeable, if you people like that this Janaka's lineage is something that is worthy of getting our sons married to, then Purim gacchamahe shighram. So to that Purim means Mithila Purim, shighram gacchamahe mabhut kalasya paryeha. If that is your desire, then let us quickly go. Let us not waste any more time. So he is telling them, if you desire, we will go. He is also waiting for the permission of elders, etc. Mantrino badhamityahuhu saha sarvair maharshibhihi supritaschabraved rajashvo yatreti cha mantrinaha. So mantrinaha badhamityahuhu. Mantrinaha saha sarvair maharshibhihi. Those mantris along with all those maharshis who are there, Badham Nityahuhu. They said, yes, definitely. So that this should definitely be done. We should get Rama married to Janaka's daughter Sita. So Badham, definitely this should be done. So having heard those words, Supritaschabravit Raja. So the Raja became Supritaha. He became extremely happy. And then Shvoyatreti cha Mantrinaha. So Mantrinaha, he told to all his mantris, he said, Shvaha Yatra. So tomorrow is the day that we are going to travel. He said, Dasharatha declared to all of them that tomorrow we are going to travel to Janaka's place. Mantrinastu Narendrasya Ratrim Paramasatkritaha Ushuv Pramudita Sarve Gunais Sarvais Samanvitaha. So Sarvaihi Gunaihi Samanvitaha Mantrinaha. Narendrasya Mantrinaha. Here Narendrasya, you should take Janakasya. So Janakasya Mantrinaha. Mantrinaha here means Dutas. So those messengers of Janaka who are Sarvaihi Gunaihi Samanvitaha. So this is Valmiki is adding this adjective to those messengers of Janaka. These Janaka's messengers are Sarvaihi Gunaihi Samanvitaha. They are endowed with all good qualities that a Duta should have. And good qualities of a Duta, he will tell, Valmiki himself will show later in Hanumat Sachivyam in one place, that is in Yuddha Kanda, and then in Kishkindha Kanda also he will say how a messenger, and then Sundara Kanda anyway, and he will show how a messenger should be. Anyway, Sarvaihi Gunaihi Samanvitaha, all the good gunas these messengers have, Janakasya, so Narendrasya Mantrinaha, those people Paramasatkritaha, these Dasharatha was extremely happy by these people because they came and conveyed the message, and he took care of them in a nice way. So Ratrim Ushuhu Pramuditaha, they were also very happy. Acha, finally our Sita Devi is getting married. They were also very happy. Ratrim Ushuhu, in that Ayodhya Puri, they spent that night. इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे वाल्मीकिये आदिकाव्ये बालकाण्डे अष्टषष्टितमः सर्गः अथ सप्ततितमः सर्गः. So 69th sarga. Saptati means so 70. Ekonasaptati means 1 less than 70. ततो रात्र्यां व्यतीतायां सोपाध्यायः सबन्धवः राजा दशरथो हृष्टः सुमन्त्रमिदमब्रवीत्. So ततो रात्र्यां व्यतीतायां, when that night was spent that way, सोपाध्यायः सबन्धवः, so along with all the upadhyayas and relatives, bandhava, here you can take ministers, all of them. Raja Dasharatha Hrishtaha, so along with all these people, he was very happy. Those people assembled that morning, and Sumantram idam abravit. His favorite minister is Sumantra. I told you his friend also Sumantra is. So Sumantram idam abravit. To Sumantra he spoke the following words. Adya sarve dhanadhyaksha dhanamadaya pushkalam Brajantvagre suvihita nana ratna samanvitaha. So Adya sarve dhanadhyaksha. Adya means today. Sarve dhanadhyakshaha. All these so officers of the treasury, dhanadhyakshaha, sarve dhanamadaya, pushkalam dhanamadaya. So let them carry great, so immense wealth, let them carry nana ratnas, let them carry, and agre vrajantu, may they carry all these precious stones, all they have to give to Janaka, so may they carry all those, and agre vrajantu, may they go ahead. So that is, let them start going. I am also coming behind, but these people, let them start going. Suvihitaha. Suvihitaha means surakshitaha, because these people are carrying lot of treasure, so very well protected. May these people start traveling already. Nana ratna samanvitaha pushkalam dhanam adaya. So let them carry lot of wealth. What kind of wealth? Nana ratna samanvitaha. So those people, let them carry various precious stones and all that. So surakshitaha, let them already start traveling. So it's going to say, don't even waste time, start traveling already. चतुरंग बलंचापि शीघ्रं निर्यातु सर्वशः ममाज्ञा समकालंच यानम युग्यम अनुत्तमम. So Chaturanga Balanchapi, not just these people, Chaturanga Balam also. So Chaturanga Balam, to protect those Dhanadhyakshas, number one, and also that royal splendor they have to show, So Chaturanga Balam api Shighram Niryatu. So Sarvashaha Niryatu. So maybe all these, Balam is stationed in various locations in Ayodhya. So Sarvashaha, from all those locations, let these people start. That is, you have these barracks and all that. So maybe that's what he's telling. Sarvashaha Niryatu means from all places, let this Chaturanga Balam start. From all places means what? So from various places that these people are residing, this Chaturanga Balam, from all those places, this Chaturanga Balam also, let them immediately start. Mamagnya Samakalancha. So Mamagnya Samakalam means as even I'm instructing now, the same time. So don't waste any time. Let them already start. We say today in today's English, they say let them already start. That is, let them, so now itself, let them start. Mamagnya Samakalam. So my Agnya, now I'm giving you Agnya, at the same time, at this time itself, let them already start going. So, and then Yanam Yugyam Anuttamam. So Yanam, and then Yanam is, Yanam and Yugyam. He's talking of two things. Yanam is those palanquins, etc. May they be prepared. And then Yugyam is, so something to which you will yoke horses, etc. So chariot. So chariot, Yugyam means something which has to be yoked with, that is called. So yoga, yoga means to yoke. So Yugyam means something that you will yoke with. That is a chariot. So Yanam and Yugyam, all these also may they be prepared immediately. Vasishtho Vamadevascha Jabalirathakashyapaha Markandeyastu Dirghayuhu Rishih Katyayanastatha. See all the great Maharshis in Vasishtha in Dasharatha's court. Vasishtha, Vamadeva, Jabali will speak some Nastikavada later. We will see in Ayodhya Kanda. Jabalihi, Kashyapaha, another part has Kashyapaha. So Kashyapa, all of these will Markandeyastu Dirghayuhu, Dirghayu Markandeya. We know Markandeya story. So the Dirghayuhu Markandeyaha, Rishihi, Katyayana, Katyayana Rishi. Katyayana Rishi's daughter is Katyayani, Katyayanaya Vidmahe. So there Katyayanaya means Katyayani. So Katyayani is Katyayana's daughter. So Katyayana Rishihi, all of these people, Tatha, all these people, Ete Dvija Prayantvagre. Syandanam yojayasvame yatha kala keyo nasyad duta hit varayanti mam. So ete dvijaha, all these dvijas, these brahmanas, Agre prayantu, may they start going in front. Syandanam yojayasva me. Syandanam means chariot. My chariot, so yoke it. Yojayasva means along with horse. So you yoke horses to my Syandanam chariot. Me Syandanam, my chariot. And yatha kalatyayo nasyat. So do all this quickly. Na kalatyayo kalatyaha nasyat. So may there not be any delay in time. Kalatyaha means transgressing of time, that is delay. Nasyat, let it not happen. So yatha kalatyaha nasyat tatha yojayasva. So tatha agre prayantu. May they quickly go. You also very quickly yoke my chariot with horses. Why? Because duta hi tvarayantimam. These Janaka's dutas are not letting me sit peacefully. They are telling Raja, let us go quickly. So dutaha mam tvarayanti. These so in Tamil we say Tondaru Partara. So they are kind of telling, nagging this Dasharatha, let's go quickly. Vachanacha Narendrasya Senacha Chaturangini Rajanam Rishibhis Sardham Varjantam Prushthatonvayat. So Narendrasya Vachanat, because of those instructions of this Narendra Dasharatha, so Chaturangini Sena. Chaturangini Sena means that, Ratha Gaja Turaga Pratati Sena. So Rajanam Rishibhis Sardham Rajantam Prusthataha Anvaya. So Rishibhihi Sardham Vrajantam Rajanam Prishtataha Anvaya. So this Raja, so they are following this Raja. So Rajanam Prishtataha Anvayat. So from his behind they are following. And then what kind of Raja? Rishibhihi Sardham Vrajantam Rajanam. So this Raja who is going along with these Rishis. So Rishis are going ahead, this Raja is going, and these people are following that Raja, the Chaturanga Bala. Already on Chaturanga Bala went, Anyway. Along with the Dhanadhyakshas. Gatva Chaturaham Margam Videhan Abhyupeyivan Raja cha Janaka Shriman Shrutva Pujam Akalpayate. So these people, it took 4 days for them to go. Those Dutas came in 3 days, These people, it took 4 days. Chaturaham Margam means 4-day Margam. That is, it took 4 days for them to go. Gatva Chaturaham Margam means in that 4-day path they went. Why 4-day path? Tikakara is telling, because they had to go with Chaturanga Bala. Whereas those people had to come on horseback. So it seems there is a shortcut. If you have to come by horseback, then you don't need big roads, So they came by shortcut. These people have to go in the long road. So Chaturaham Margam Gatva Videhan Abhyupeyivan. This Dasharatha obtained Videha Raja. So Videha kingdom. Videhan means people of Videha. So Videhan Abhyupeyivan means he finally reached that kingdom of Videha. Raja cha Janaka Shriman Shrutva Pujam Akalpayat. So Janakaha, Shriman Janakaha Raja. So that very auspicious king, wealthy king Janakaha. So Shrutva, he heard through messengers that Dasharatha is already coming. He is on the way. Pujam Akalpayat. He prepared to welcome that Dasharatha. Puja here is welcome. So that Swagata Satkara they say. So he was ready at the borders or whatever. He was ready to welcome Dasharatha. Tato Rajanamasadya Vruddham Dasharatham Rupam Mudito Janako Raja Praharsham Paramam Yayo. So Tato Rajanamaso, he prepared for all the Athitis, Satkaram, etc. He was ready, and then Dasharatha also reached. Tataha Rajanam Asadya. Tataha Vruddham Dasharatham Rupam Rajanam Asadya. So there Dasharatha also came, and finally these people met. Asadya means they met here now. So Vruddham Dasharatham Rupam, that very elderly old king Dasharatha, they met each other. This Janaka met him. Then they both met each other. That's the idea. Muditaha Janakaha, Raja Janakaha, Praharsham Paramam Yayo. Muditaha Janakaha, this very happy Janaka, obtained Praharsham. So he became great. He obtained even more great. Already he is happy that Sita is going to get married to Rama. Now he is happy that Dasharatha has consented and he has also come. Praharsham Paramam Yayo. So he obtained great happiness. Uvacha Vachanam Shreshto Narashreshtham Mudanvitam Swagatam Te Narashrestha Dishtya Prapto Siraghava Putrayor Ubhayof Pritim Lapsyase Virya Nirjitam Dishtya Prapto Mahateja Vasishtho Bhagavan Rishihi Saha Sarvair Dvijashreshthir Devairiva Shatakratuhu Dishtya Me Nirjita Vighna Dishtya Me Pujitam Kulam. So Raghavai Saha Sambandhad Virya Shreshthir Mahabalaihi. So Swagatam Te Narashrestha. He Narashrestha, he great king Dasharatha, Swagatam, welcome to you. So Uvacha Vachanam Shresthaha, the Shresthaha Janakaha. So Narashreshtham to that Dasharatha who is Narashrestha, Mudanvitam Vachanam Uvacha. So he spoke, this Janaka who himself is Shrestha, spoke to Dasharatha who is also Narashrestha, what kind of words he speak? Mudanvitam vakyam, mudanvitam vachanam, very happy words he spoke to that Dasharatha. What did he say? Swagatam te narashrestha, he king Dasharatha, swagatam dishtya praptosi Raghava, he Raghava. So Dasharatha is also Raghava, you know, he's coming that Raghu's lineage. So he Raghava Dasharatha dishtya praptosi, so madbhagya visheshaya. So by some great fortune of mine you have come here today. Dishtya praptosi Raghava पुत्रयोः उभयोः प्रीतिं लप्स्यसे वीर्यनिर्जितां. So वीर्यनिर्जितां प्रीतिं पुत्रयोः उभयोः लप्स्यसे. So you will get happiness through both your sons. Ubhayoho putrayoho, through both your sons. So viryanirjitam pritim, you will get that priti which is obtained due to their display of virya. Okay, so viryanirjitam pritim lapsyase. Dishtya, now he is addressing Vasishtha. Dishtya praptaha mahatejaha Vasishtha Bhagavan Rishihi. This Vasishtha Bhagavan Rishihi, great Rishi, great. So Bhagavan is very pujaniya. Vasishtha Dishtya praptaha, he also has come due to some great fortune that I have done. So he just didn't come himself, all by himself. He came saha sarvai dvijashreshthaihi, with all these dvijashreshthas, you know, Vasishtha. So Vasishtha came with Vamadeva, Jabali, etc. With all these great rishis, he has come. Vasishtha has come. That itself is a great fortune. He has come with along with other Maharshis also. He has come. So and then now with all those Maharshis, when Vasishtha is standing, he is shining like Devairiva Shatakratuhu. Shatakratu is Indra. So if you do 100, you know, Ashwamedha Yagas, you will get Indra Padavi, they say. So Indra Padavi is got after performing 100 Kratus, therefore he is called Shatakratuhu. That Shatakratuhu Devaihiva. This Vasishtha has come along with all Maharshis, like Indra comes with all the Devatas. So like that this Vasishtha is shining. Dishtyame Nirjita Vighnaha. So all the obstacles to Sita's Vivaha, by some fortune of mine today, Nirjitaha, all of those Vighnas have been put an end today by your coming here. Dishtyame Pujitam Kulam, by some great fortune of mine, my lineage is now honored. Dishtyame Kulam Pujitam, by Raghavai Saha Sambandhat Viryashreshthaihi Mahabalaihi. My lineage is now going to be honored because Raghavaihi Saha Sambandhat, because now my lineage is going to get into this matrimonial relationship with whom? Raghavaihi, with people coming in Raghu's Vamsha, you know. So Kalidasa says Raghunam Anvayam Vakshe, that Raghu's lineage I will talk about, he is saying. So that shows that Raghu is a very famous king. So that Raghavaihi Saha Sambandhat, so Mama Kulam Pujitam, my lineage is going to be honored because of the Sambandha that I am going to now enter into with this lineage of Raghu. And then how are those people, those Raghavas? It's not that, okay, Raghu was a great king, later those people who came are not so great. It's not like that. So Virya Shreshthaihi Mahabalaihi. So all of them have great Virya. So that is very powerful king. And then Mahabalaihi, prowess also, they had great prowess. And therefore I am very honored you have come. Swagatam. Shwprabhate Narendratvam Samvartayitumarhasi Yajnasyante Narashrestha Vivaham Rishisattamai Vivaham Rishisattamai Shwaha Prabhate, he Narendra Dasharatha, he king. Shwaha Prabhate, tomorrow morning. Shwaha means tomorrow, Prabhate in the morning. Tomorrow morning, Tvam Samvartayitumarhasi, you should kind of initiate, you should oversee. What should you oversee? Vivaham. So he Narashrestha Dasharatha, Vivaham Samvartayitum Arhasi. You have to kind of oversee, initiate so you have to oversee this. You have to you know, accord your amoda to this Vivaha, etc. And then Yajnasyante. Mind you, when Vishwamitra came to Janaka said 12 days more is left for this Yajna, like this these Manishinaha are telling. So somewhere you should take in. So 3 days these people took to travel, 4 days those people took to travel, 7 days in between. One day was Dhanurbhanga, 8 days, another 4 days. Somewhere you have to account. Okay, so for a long time he narrated Vishwamitra's story. Maybe somewhere you should account for 4 days. Anyway, Yajnasyante. So tomorrow Yajna will end. At that time, after that we will perform Sitarama Kalyanam, and that Samvartayitum Arhasi. So Rishi Sattamaihi Samvartayitum Arhasi. Along with these great rishis, you should also kind of initiate or kind of supervise that Vivaha of Rama and Sita. And then Rishi Sattamaihi, there is an alternate part, Rishi Sammatam. So Rishi Sammatam Vivaham Samvartayitum Arhasi. This Rishi Sammatam means this. So they are showing that this Sitarama Kalyanam is a what is it called? So, so you know those various kinds of marriages are there. So Rishi Sammata means Brahmam Vivaham. So of them, you know, this Kshatriya Gandharva Vivaham, all that is there. This is Rishi Sammatam Vivaham, therefore Brahmam Vivaham. Like that, Govinda Raja is telling. So that is his partha. Anyway, in Tilakakara, it is Rishi Sattamaihi. Rishi Sattamaihi Samvattaitum Arhasi. You should oversee all the wedding, everything, along with all these great rishis. तस्य तद्वचनं श्रुत्वा ऋषिमध्ये नराधिपः वाक्यं वाक्यविदां श्रेष्ठः प्रत्युवाच महीपतिं. So tasya janakasya tadvachanam shrutva, having heard those words, where was it spoken? Rishimadhye. So Rishimadhye, in the midst of all those great rishis, Janaka spoke so far, you know. So Naradhipaha Dasharathaha, having heard all those words, idam, so Vakyam Pratyuvacha, Mahipatim Vakyam Pratyuvacha, to that Mahipati Janaka, this Dasharatha spoke back in reply. Vakya Vidam Shreshtaha Naradhipaha. This Dasharatha is Vakya Vidam Shreshtaha. He knows very well how to use words, etc. So that Dasharatha spoke in reply to Janaka. Very nice reply he is going to give now. Very famous quotable quotes from one of the quotable quotes of Ramayana. This first two words of that shloka itself. Pratigraho Datrivashaha Shrutam Maya Pura Yatha Vakshasi Dharmagnya Tatkarishyamahe Vayam. So this scene is very nicely depicted in that serial, you know, Ramanand Sagar's Ramayanam. The scene is very nicely depicted. Dasharatha says in that. So Pratigraha Datrivashaha. So Pratigraha means recipient. Recipient is Datrivashaha. Recipient is under the control. As even I am talking all this, keeping in mind the commentary that is written here, I am getting goosebumps. So Pratigraha Datrivashaha. So this person who is a recipient is under the control of the Data. Data is here Janaka. Pratigrahita is Dasharatha. So Pratigraha Datrivashaha iti shrutam maya shrutam maya pura shrutam. So long back I heard like that, hey Janaka, yatha vakshasi dharmagnya, hey dharmagnya Janaka, yatha vakshasi, as you order, tat karishyamahe vayam. So vayam, all of us, because we are the recipients and you are the giver, therefore whatever you instruct us, we will do. This Dasharatha is telling very nicely. One of the commentators is writing, so this Tilakakara is writing this Maya Shrutam, he's saying. So I have heard like that. Why is he saying I have heard like that? Because I am a Kshatriya, never I have been a Pratigrahita before. I am always in the habit of doing Danam. Never was I in the habit of receiving Danam. Today this Kanya Danam I am going to receive through my son. Okay, Kanya Danam I am going to receive. Therefore, I don't know how a Pratigrahita will be. I have only heard. That is the intention he is telling. Pratigraha Datrivashaha iti shrutam maya shrutam, he is telling, because I don't know how a Pratigrahita will be. I have never been a Pratigrahita in my life. Today I am being. But all those people who have taken Danam from me, they kept telling. So Pratigraha Datrivashaha, they kept telling me. That's how I have heard from them. Today I know what it means. So that is his intention. Therefore, Yatha Vakshasi, as you say, Tat Karishyamahe Vayam. Vayam means all of us. So Tat Karishyamahe. Whatever you tell us, that we will do, he Dharmagnya. तद्धर्मिष्ठं यशस्यञ्च वचनं सत्यवादिनः श्रुत्वा विदेहाधिपतिः परम विस्मयमागतः. So that Videhadhipati, having heard those words of Dasharatha, he is amazed. So tadharmishtham yashasyancha vachanam satyavadinaha vachanam. So having heard those words of that Satyavadi Dasharatha, Satyavadinaha vachanam, and what kind of words they are? Dharmishtham vachanam. So they are filled with dharma, and then yashasyam, so something that is befitting of Dasharatha's fame. Only such a great Dharmishtha, famous king Dasharatha, famous for his dharma, such a king Dasharatha can speak such words. Yashasyam vachanam, tad vachanam, whatever he said so far, Shrutva, having heard, param vismayamagataha. Janaka is, you know, is awestruck that Dasharatha is speaking like that, because you can say otherwise these Sambandhis, how will they be? The groom side, you know, they always, you know, always want to show some authority, but this Dasharatha is showing great Vinaya in front of Janaka, though he is the father of the groom. Tatas sarve munigana paraspara samagame harshena mahatayuktas tamratrim avasan sukham. Tatas sarve, so these people spoke. Janaka welcomed Vasishtha and Dasharatha, and then all those rishis, you know, on either side, even in Janaka's kingdom and the court, there are many rishis. Dasharatha's rishis are there, and they came also. Tataha sarve muniganaha Paraspara samagame means having met each other, all those rishis, sarve muniganaha, all those rishis there, munis there. Tataha means after all these pleasantries were exchanged between Janaka and Dasharatha, these rishis also met each other, and having met each other, harshena mahata yuktaha, so they were also filled with great happiness. So ratrim sukham avasan, tam ratrim sukham, of that night they spent very happily. So they are all extremely happy. Sita Rama are going to get married, they get to meet so many great munis, etc. Happily they spent that night there. Now this one shloka is there, which is not there in Tilakakara's Patha, but it is written here. Atha Ramo Mahateja Lakshmanena Samam Yayo Vishwamitram Puraskritya Pituh Pada Upasprushan. So Atha Ramaha. Now these people, they exchange each other. The elders met, munis met. Rama and Lakshmana are standing in one corner. After all this has happened, people have gone away. Now Rama and Lakshmana came to their father. Atha means now, after all this has happened. So Atha actually means thereafter, something like that. So thereafter Ramaha Mahatejaha Mahatejasvi Ramaha Lakshmanena Samam Yayo. Lakshmanena Samam Yayo means together with Lakshmana. That's the idea. Lakshmana and Rama. So Vishwamitram Puraskritya, they again kept Vishwamitra. They are still under Vishwamitra's control, mind you. So Vishwamitra has to go and tell Dasharatha, now my purpose is solved. Now you can take back control or whatever, care of your sons. So still they are under Vishwamitra's control. Therefore Vishwamitram Puraskritya Pituhu Pada Upasprishan. So Dasharatha and Vishwamitra met, and then Rama and Lakshmana Pituhu Padau Upasprishan. They went and touched their father's feet. Raja cha Raghavau Putrau Nishamya Pariharshitaha Uvasa Paramaprito Janakena Bhipujitaha. Raja Janakena Bhipujitaha. So far Janaka has given him Satkara, all that. That's Raja Dasharatha. Raghavau Putrau Nishamya. Nishamya here means Drishtva. So having seen his two sons, Rama and Lakshmana, Putrau Nishamya Pariharshitaha, so he became very happy. Paramapritaha. So again Paramaprita is same. So Harsha and Preeti. So you can take Harsha is, even by bodily transformation, his happiness was expressed. And Preeti you can take mentally also, he was very happy. Uvasa. So he resided in that Mithilapuri. Now Janakopi Mahateja Kriya Dharme Natatvavit Yajnasya cha Sutabhyancha Kritva Ratri Muvasaha. Very nice way to end the Sarga. Very nice way to end our 2020 discussion of Ramayana. Beautiful shloka. It shows Janaka's, Jnani status. So Janakopi Mahatejaha, that great Tejasvi Janakaha, Tattvavit, he's a Jnani. Valmiki is telling Tattvavit, Yajnasya cha Sutabhyancha Kritva. So Kriya Dharmena Yajnasya cha Sutabhyancha Kritva Ratri Muvasaha. Ratri Muvasa. Ha means it seems. So Valmiki is telling it seems it happened like this. That Janaka also, so having welcomed Dasharatha and all that, Ratri Muvasa, he spent that night. But how? Kriya Dharmena Yajnasya cha Sutabhyancha Kritva. Kritva means all the leftover rituals for as part of his yajna that he did. Yajnasya Sutabhyancha, for his two daughters, Sita and Urmila. So if marriage has to start tomorrow, then they have to do this Ankura Aropanam and all that, So they sow some seeds in 2-3 pots. They sow seeds as for various auspicious reasons. So all those kriyas he did. But then somebody might ask, he's a jnani, but then kritva. So how is jnani having karmas here? Tattvavita kritva. How is jnani having karmas? So Valmiki put a very nice visheshanam, kriya dharmena kritva. Kriya dharma means it is his kartavya karma. That's why he did it. So kartavya dharma, kriya dharmena kritva. Yajnasya cha sutabhyancha kritva means so all those karyani kritva. Yajnasya karyani, sutabhyancha karyani, all the things that are related to the yajna and related to Sita and Urmila, his daughters, relating to their wedding. So kriya dharmena kritva, with the sense of kartavya karma, this tattva with Janakaha, he having done all those works, Ratrim Uvasa, he spent that night very happily. This kriya dharmena alternate patham is there, but I like this kriyam dharmena kritva. So yajnasya sutabhyancha kriyam kritva, that is one patha, but this is Tilakakara's patha. In fact, he is telling all this kartavya karma, kriya dharmena. So because with kartavya buddhi, it is his kartavya karma, so he did. He is a jnani, but still grihastha. So if you are a jnani and a grihastha, you should still do all those karmas because it is kartavya karma. Okay, so the tattvavit क्रियाधर्मेण, so all those karmani kritva ratrim uvasaha. इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे वाल्मीकिये आदिकाव्ये बालकांडे एकोनसप्ततितमः सर्गः. So we have finished 69th sarga, and for this 2020, which is when we started this, I think in April we started this discussions or whatever study of Ramayana, and we have nicely finished at this point where this Janaka and Dasharatha meet. The wedding is sure short. It is going to happen the next sarga and all that we will see. And we have ended, and I am personally very happy because the word Tattvavit has come, so I am remembering Tattvedantarji. Very nice way to end this Ramayana discussions also. So anyways, we have ended, and next we will have tomorrow's session. Tomorrow, and I mean tomorrow's two sargas, you know, the next sarga is a little big, but then it's all just names. The next sarga is 45 shlokas, and then the sarga after that is kind of small, 24. We will mostly finish these two sargas tomorrow, because both sargas contain the names of the lineage of Dasharatha. Next sarga is the lineage of Dasharatha, and the sarga after that is lineage of Janaka. Both are very auspicious lineages by just taking their names. Tomorrow is January 1st, English New Year, you know. So on that day we will remember all these. Both are mentioned in Bhagavad Gita, if you see. So imam vivasvate yogam proktavanaham avyayam. So so Manurikshvakave Bravit. So I spoke to Vivaswan. Vivaswan Manave Praha. Vivaswan spoke to Manu. Vivaswan is Surya, and Manu spoke to Ikshvaku. And then Sakalena Mahata, out of long time, so this dharma got kind of disturbed, he said, got lost from the society. Therefore I have come now again, and I am teaching this to you, he says to Arjuna. Krishna says, so this lineage as of Dasharatha's time, that dharma, you know, that jnanam is continuing in that lineage. That is Dasharatha's lineage, and after that is Janaka's lineage. You need not say, Janaka is famous in the Upanishads also, so in Gita also. So what is it, karmana eva samsiddhim. So these Janakas, the lineage of Janakas, they are very famous as jnanis, and they were engaged in karma yoga. So these two lineages, we will take names of these people, and we will hopefully finish both the sargas tomorrow. Okay, at this point we will stop. Om यत्र यत्र रघुनाथ कीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम्. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरिः ओम. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम. तत्सत्. श्री रामार्पणमस्तु. ओम. So if you have anything to ask, you can ask. Otherwise we